We've all seen the devastation of Hurricane Melissa and how it's ripped through Jamaica and now it's on its way to Cuba. It's the strongest storm ever to hit the island, and for many of us, the first instinct is simple: how do we help? Some people might even ask, can I actually bring my relatives to the UK? So let's talk about what's actually possible here, legally and practically. First, there's no special hurricane visa for Jamaica, unfortunately. The UK hasn't announced any emergency immigration route. That means you have to use the normal visa system, even in a crisis, which is if it's your spouse, partner, child, or dependent parent, you can apply under the family visa route. That's Appendix FM of the UK immigration rules. You need to show you're settled here, meet the financial requirement, usually 18,600 a year, I think it is, and prove the relationship's genuine. If their home's been destroyed, that can strengthen your case under Article 8 of the Human Rights Act, the right to family life, but the Home Office still decides case by case. So I guess let's move on to for short-term help. They can apply for a visitor visa on compassionate grounds. So you'll need to write a sponsor letter, offer accommodation, and show financial support. It's not actually guaranteed, but it's the quickest legal route for getting them here temporarily. Now, if your relatives are already in the UK and can't safely return, keep an eye out for temporary immigration concessions. The Home Office sometimes allows extensions or grace periods in situations like this, but nothing's been confirmed that I'm aware of yet. So, as for asylum or humanitarian protection, that doesn't actually apply to natural disasters. UK law only grants asylums where there's a real risk of persecution for who you are, not because of hurricanes or flooding, unfortunately. So I guess the real question is, what can you do now? You can send money legally through regulated services like Western Union, World Remit, or your bank. Avoid any informal couriers. They breach anti-money laundering laws. Donate only to registered charities. Check they're listed on the UK Charity Commission or Jamaica's official registry. That's how you avoid getting scammed, basically. And help with documentation. So guide relatives on replacing IDs, passports, or insurance papers. That's crucial for claiming relief later. Contact the British High Commission in Kingston if loved ones are missing or injured. That's really key. They can trace, verify, or liaise with local authorities. And most importantly, stay informed, not reactive. Scams spike during disasters, and emotion-based decisions can cost you and your family more than you think. This storm shows why legal awareness matters, because compassion without compliance helps no one. I'm Sarah, founder of Your Rights Matter, where we make sense of the law, one real life issue at a time. For more breakdowns of the law and how we can keep informed, empowered, and legally safe, even in a crisis, click the link in my bio. I'll see you on the next one. I'm sending love to all my people in Jamaica, to all the people in Cuba. I'm thinking of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.